Every time you stand in the brightly lit supermarket vegetable section, looking at the small mountains of vibrant purple and pristine white onions, do you often hesitate, unsure which one belongs in your cart? Some say choose the one with the nicer color, others think the white one is more premium, but beyond the thin layer of color, the texture beneath holds two completely different identities. If you randomly buy one just for aesthetics, you might ruin a carefully prepared pot of stew, or make a refreshing salad unbearably spicy. Today, let's solve this kitchen puzzle once and for all. In the next few minutes, we will put aside complex botanical theories. Through macro view dissection, chemical analysis, and real cooking experiments, we will help you find the perfect dream onion for tonight's dinner. Firstly, when we slice into this purple onion, you will clearly feel resistance against the knife. Its internal layers are very tightly packed, the flesh appears thin, and it's difficult to squeeze out much moisture. In contrast, the white onion is a watery delight. Its cross-section is thick and translucent, and the moment the knife touches it, abundant juice flows uncontrollably onto the cutting board. This huge difference in physical structure directly determines the texture in your mouth. The purple onion delivers a crisp, crunchy bite, while the white onion offers a dense, juicy, and slightly soft mouthfeel. Precisely because of the difference in water content, their shelf life varies. The low-moisture purple onion generally lasts longer, while the delicate, juicy white onion spoils easily if not stored properly. Moving from texture to flavor, the purple onion is not only vibrant but also quite volatile. It contains high concentrations of allicin, and a raw bite delivers a pungency that instantly hits your nasal cavity, bringing you to tears. In contrast, the white onion is truly the king of sweetness in the onion family. Although it carries a slight initial bite when raw, it offers more of a mellow sweetness, like a hidden candy in the vegetable world. The color difference also represents distinct nutritional focuses. The anthocyanins abundant in the purple onion are top-tier natural antioxidants, making this purple hue the best supplement for those seeking healthy skin. Although the white onion lacks anthocyanins, its vitamin C and carotene content should not be underestimated, making this plump white variety a more practical choice for boosting immunity or alleviating fatigue. Therefore, the purple onion's best role in the kitchen is absolutely raw consumption, such as slicing it finely into a colorful Caesar salad, where its vibrant color instantly elevates the aesthetics and delivers a crisp, degreasing texture. Or, when preparing beef burgers and sandwiches, adding a few rings of fresh purple onion transforms its inherent pungency into a deeply satisfying flavor kick when combined with meat juices and sauces. But remember not to use purple onions for long time simmering. They lose color easily when heated, turning your entire pot of soup into an unappetizing bluish gray, a dark dish no chef wants to witness. The white onion's destiny is completely different. It is naturally born for high heat. When you slowly saute chopped white onions in butter, they undergo the marvelous Maillard reaction, transforming from translucent to an alluring caramel color. The softened white onion loses its pungency, leaving only a rich, sweet aroma, which is the soul of authentic French onion soup, bringing a natural umami to the broth without the need for MSG. Likewise, if you are stewing a pot of Japanese curry or braised beef, you must choose white onions. They will eventually dissolve into the sauce, boosting the thickness and sweetness of the entire dish significantly. Finally, here's the ultimate secret to cutting onions without tears. Refrigerate them for 15 minutes before slicing. The low temperature locks in volatile sulfur compounds, allowing you to cook gracefully without goggles. To summarize today's red and white battle, choose the purple onion for crisp, spicy, cold dishes, and choose the white onion for sweet, soft, stewed meats. We hope this guide helps you eat clearly and deliciously. See you next time!